Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have OPPO Watch X3, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to install applications on this watch. So let's get started. So if you want to install applications on your watch, you need to do a few things before we attempt to do that. The first thing you need to do is to basically sign in into a Google account on your watch, and that's quite maybe not hard, but a bit tricky. We need to open the settings. So open the menu, find the settings icon, find the option called Other and tap on it. And here look for Google and then tap on Accounts. And here, if you have an account right here on the list, it means that you have basically account signed in on your watch. But if you don't have any accounts right here, you need to tap on Add Google Account. Your watch needs to be paired with a phone, of course, for this to work. And once you tap on Add Google Account, it should pop up with this info. And basically what you need to do is to tap on this icon, and then on the phone that is paired with your watch, you will see pop up, and you can basically sign in with the Google account right here. And once you sign into a Google account, it should be good, because you'll be able to use the Play services on your watch. Also, I recommend to use the Wi-Fi connection. So you need to go to settings, Wi-Fi, and basically connect your watch to a Wi-Fi. And you can do that by tapping on that network, select the network you want to connect to. For some reason it doesn't show any networks. Oh, now it does. You can select the network, enter the password, and once you connect to the network, you should be good. Okay, and now to download applications, you simply open the Play Store on your watch. So find the Play Store icon and tap on it. And then in the Play Store, you can search for something you like. So you can browse different categories. And once you find something you are interested in, you can simply tap on the app, tap on Install, and it will start downloading and installing. And after it's done, the install button will change to open, I believe. Let's see. Yes, as I said before, it will change to open, and then you can open the app from here, or if you open the menu, the icon will appear, and you can simply tap on it to open the application. And you can install multiple applications, of course, and basically that's how you install applications on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.